Hi everyone! Today we'll be making Japanese fried chicken, aka Karaage. This fried chicken has always been my go-to side dish whenever I went to ramen restaurants. But since I don't go to ramen restaurants much anymore, I figured that it shouldn't stop me from enjoying my favorite side dish. The original version of this recipe uses a lot of starch, so of course I had to keto-fy it. And quite honestly, I think this version can even rival the traditional recipe because it brings all the goodness of your traditional Japanese fried chicken with practically no carbs. It's a crunchy bite that follows with the juicy savouriousness of balanced Japanese cuisine flavors. So if you're a fan of karaage or just fried chicken in general, I definitely recommend you give this one a go. To make it, you'll need a few unique ingredients, which includes unflavored pork rinds, sesame oil, Japanese sake, and sweetener like xylitol or erythritol. The first step is to gather all ingredients and make sure your knife is really nice and sharp. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, about half an inch thick, and place into a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of Japanese sake, 1 tablespoon of xylitol or erythritol, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 4 cloves of pressed garlic, 1 tablespoon of shredded ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Mix everything together very well, cover the bowl with a plastic wrap, and refrigerate for about 2 hours. In the meantime, prepare the pork rinds by crushing them in a food processor to mimic the texture of breadcrumbs. Once 2 hours has passed, remove the chicken from the fridge and coat each piece of chicken with pork rinds and place on a plate. In the frying pan, add enough cooking oil of your choice to cover the pan about half an inch deep. Then heat up oil to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is ready, place heat to medium and carefully place half of the chicken batch inside. Cook until crust is lightly brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, rotate each piece and cook on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. When it's ready, transfer to a drying rack. If you don't have a drying rack, you can use a plate with the paper towels to soak up oil. Next, take the other chicken batch and repeat the cooking process. I hope you enjoy my keto Japanese fried chicken, aka Karaage. And if you're looking for more delicious low-carb recipes, then you can support this channel by subscribing, hitting a like button, and stay tuned for future recipes. Bye!